Hello everyone. Today let's see how to make a very simple dhaba style chicken curry which requires absolutely no grinding. This is a very basic yet very tasty chicken curry that can be enjoyed with rice as well as roti. And of course, the best part is that it is simple enough for a weeknight dinner. For this recipe, heat some oil over medium flame. I will also be adding a spoonful of ghee because it gives a very nice aroma to the chicken curry. Once the oil is hot enough, add whole spices. I have used cumin, cinnamon, red chillies, cloves, black pepper, and black and green elaichi. Now add 2 cups of finely chopped onion. We are going to let it fry until the raw onion smell goes away, about 2 minutes. This is the amount needed to cook a little bit over 1 kilo of chicken. Next add 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic and fry it for another 2 minutes. The garlic should not smell raw. Next we are going to add the chicken. There is no need to marinate the chicken in advance. I have used boneless but feel free to use bone-in. Next add salt to taste. Now increase the flame to high and give this a good stir. We are pretty much frying the chicken on high heat until the outside appears to be white but the inside is still uncooked. This helps seal the moisture and makes the chicken very tender once cooked. Now let's add the dry spice powders. 1.5 teaspoons of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne or red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives the color. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and optionally add some black pepper powder. A few grinds should be enough. Now the flame should be on medium high and we are going to give this a good stir until all the chicken pieces are coated with the spices. We are ready to now add tomatoes, about 1 cup followed by the required amount of green chilies. I have added 3 to 4 green chilies. Mix everything very well. Remember the flame should be on medium high and not very high. The addition of tomatoes at this stage ensures that the spices do not get burnt as the tomato releases enough amount of water. Do not add any amount of water. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is tender. The chicken is going to release some water. Look, this is how it looks after 3 to 4 minutes. The chicken cooked in its own liquid is very tender as compared to the one cooked with water. After about 20 to 25 minutes, check if the chicken is cooked to your desired liking. It should be fork tender, like this. Turn the flame to low. Now add 1 teaspoon of chicken curry masala. I have used MDH brand. Whisk 1 cup of yogurt with half cup of water and then add it to the chicken curry. If you are allergic to dairy, you may feel free to add coconut milk. We have turned the flame to low to prevent any curdling of the yogurt, which happens very easily if the flame is on high heat. We do not want that. Mix it very well. Let the curry come to one final boil and we are done. You may also adjust the seasoning if needed. Finally, garnish this with cilantro or dhaniya. This chicken curry is very flavorful. It goes very well with either rice or roti. Despite adding low-fat yogurt, look at the consistency. While the chicken was cooking, I made rice on the side and chopped a salad, all under 30 minutes. If you like this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. I really appreciate your feedback. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.